So welcome to my channel, and I wish everyone good health and please be safe in this pandemic time. Today we will be discussing on tax rates in US. So what will be the income tax rate on your earning in US? We'll be discussing in depth today. So you can see on screen, this is 2019 federal income tax bracket. So 2019 means you have to file your income tax in 2020. So this is the tax rate, and I will be discussing each and everything with you, and also with category wise. So let's start the video, and if you have not subscribed my video, please subscribe and please press the bell icon for the latest update. For example, like if you are looking forward to relocate in US, I know many of students who already planned to go US, but due to this pandemic time they are not allowed, and the government in US has imposed restrictions on H1B1 visa and many other visas still 1 year. So today, for those who had already applied for visa and they are looking forward to go and relocate in US, so I just want to make you clear few points and about income tax and the income tax deduction. Let's start it. Okay, so when you go to US and if your salary annually is 9,700, that means you come in a tax bracket. So for 9,700 you have to pay 10%, that is $970 to US federal government. What is federal government? Federal government is basically a central government which you call in India. All states are connected with central government. Similarly, in US, all states are connected with federal government. In US, there are state tax. We'll discuss that state tax in next video. If you are going single and your income is 9,700, so you have to pay 10%. That means 970 on your annual income. And if you are relocating with your family and you are only the one who is earning, so your tax deduction will start from 13,850. That means you have to pay, if you are annually exactly earning 13850, so you have to pay 1385, that is 10% of your annual income. And if you're married and you're filing jointly, so your income tax bracket start from 19,400, so you have to pay 10% on 19,400, that means 1940. If you're married in US and living separately, so your income rate will be similar to single, that means 9,700 will be your starting income where tax will be deducted. Let's come to second bracket, that is of 12%. So for 12%, like 9,700 was for 10%. Here, if you earn single dollar extra on 9,700, that is 9,701 to 39,475, you have to pay 12% on your this income. So if you're single, you have your tax bracket is 9,701 to 39,475. And if you're an household, and the same similar that which we have discussed in 10%, just a single dollar will make your tax bracket from 10% to 12%. For 12%, for an household is 13,851 to 52,850. If your salary comes in this category, you have to pay 12%. And for jointly, you can see 19,401 to 78,950. And for if you're divorced and living and filing separately, so from 9,701 to 39,475 you have to pay. Now we come on third bracket, which is 22%. So this 22% starts from 39,476 to 84,200 for single, and for household 52,851 to 84,200. For jointly, it starts from 78,951 to 1,68,400. And for individual or filing separately, it's 39. It's similar to single filing. So the single and if you're separately, you will be charged same. Now come to fourth bracket, which is 24%. 24%, when your salary annual income exceeds 84,200, you will be charged 24% on your annual income. So this tax bracket for a single individual who is earning between 84,201 to 1,60,725, you have to pay 24%. Similarly, you can see the household, it's 84,201 to 1 lakh. So for household, this is same as single. So you'll be not getting benefit in this 24%. For jointly, you have the benefit like from 1,68,401 to 3,21,450. I know most of the other citizens will be confused between 1 lakh. 1 lakh is similar to 100,000, what we call in US. So we call 1 lakh in India. So for all those Indians who are watching, they will understand what is 1 lakh, 2 lakh. But for the other countries, it will be difficult to understand. So you can check on the screen and you can calculate your expenses in your calculator according to that. So 1 lakh is nothing but 1,000. So sorry, it's 100,000. So 1 lakh is 100,000 and 10 lakh means 1 million. So we'll come to fifth bracket, which is 32%. So here the tax will be from 1,60,726 to 2 lakh 4,100. So in 32%, the household will be not getting any benefit. You have to pay similar to the single who is filing. But in jointly, you get your tax bracket. Your tax will be from 3,21,451 to 4,08,200. We'll come to sixth bracket, which is 35%. From 2,04,101 to 5,10,300, you have to pay 35% when your annual income is this much. For household, it's same. For those who are married, their deduction for 35% is from 4,08,201 to 6,12,350. And the last bracket is 37%. 37%, your annual income will be more than 5 lakhs. So here you can see if your annual income is more than 5,10,301 or 5,10,301 or more, so you have to pay 37%. So there is no maximum in it. It's the minimum. If you earn 5,10,301, you have to pay 37%. And if it exceeds from that, then you will be charged 37% on the increased salary. So this is the salary in annual income and how you will be charged in US. There is also state deductions and other deductions we'll discuss in next episode. So if you have not subscribed to my videos, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please do comment. I'll try to answer each and every questions asked in the comment. So thanks for giving your precious time. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.